Welcome back to Zimist Coded. Let me ask you this. Are you tired of constantly emptying your recycle bin in Windows 11? You delete files, they pile up, and before you know it, you're doing cleanup again. Well, what if Windows could handle that for you automatically? Yes, it can, and I'll show you how in just a moment. All right, let's get into it. Go ahead and open your settings. Just click the Start menu and select Settings. Once you're in, head over to System and then click on Storage. Take it slow. This is where Windows keeps all the storage magic. Now look for a feature called Storage Sense. This tool is designed to help Windows clean up files automatically. Go ahead and turn Storage Sense on if it's not already enabled. Then click on Storage Sense again to open its settings. Scroll down a little, and you'll see the option for the Recycle bin. This is where you tell Windows how long deleted files should stay there before being removed automatically. You'll notice several choices here. If you select Never, Windows will never delete anything from the Recycle bin on its own. If you choose 1 day, files are removed very quickly. Great if you're sure you don't need them. 14 days gives you a short grace period, while 30 days is a balanced option that gives you time to recover files if needed. And 60 days keeps deleted files around much longer before Windows cleans them out. For me, I like to keep things tidy but safe, so I'll leave mine at 30 days. Once you pick what works best for you, that's it. No save button needed. Windows takes care of the rest. From now on, your recycle bin will empty itself automatically, keeping your system clean and freeing up space without you doing anything at all. Simple, smart, and very convenient. Thanks for watching this quick Windows 11 tip on Zimist Coded. If you found it helpful, make sure you subscribe for more easy tutorials and tech tricks. I'll see you in the next one.